Good morning, everyone. Paul Rogers here. Today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin US dollar daily chart. Now, in my last video, I think price was around 3,650 or so, and I made a recommendation that if people hadn't bought down around 3,000, that they should try to target 3,500. And since then, price did go down and kiss, I want to say 3,400 and let me see, 3,400 and I want to say 70 or so, and bounced up higher. Now we're at 3,930. It looks like this trend channel that I drew is holding up quite well, and I would expect price action to continue higher on the road to $7,000 to $8,000 Bitcoin. Now a lot of stuff can happen in between then. We could have a lot of bouncing around, but generally speaking, it looks like we're having a nice clean movement upwards from our basically our low that was around 2,900. RSI is also bouncing up nicely. We've got a long ways to go till we get back to the 70-80ish range, which is usually what I would consider overbought. So all indications are go for Bitcoin. Ethereum is also having a nice rebound, and in fact you can see it's broken out of a downward trend, and it's done so in a pretty healthy way. This isn't the prettiest trend channel. There we are, a little better. Anyhow, Ethereum does look like it's gonna be breaking 300 pretty soon, and hopefully breaking its all-time high. This isn't its all-time high. Let's see, daily. You can see had a very nice V-shaped recovery the last time it had a downturn, but if you notice, the last downturn that we had, the low wasn't near as low as, when was this? This was in, looks like July sometime. July, Ethereum got all the way down to $135. The last low was around 200, and I really expect Ethereum to be in the $500, $600, $700 range even by the end of the year. So I think that's another really good buy. Litecoin, interestingly enough, is not having the same rebound that Bitcoin and Ethereum is enjoying. I'm not sure if that's because Litecoin already has SegWit out and Bitcoin is going to be gearing up with SegWit, and people would prefer to use Bitcoin over Litecoin. I'm not sure, but for whatever reason, Litecoin just isn't having that bounce that the other currencies are experiencing. Now Dash is kind of an interesting, let's see if we can make any sense of this. It looks like Dash most likely broke out of its downward trend channel, and it's at 3,000 or 330. I don't know why I'm talking in thousands. 330, and I think Dash is a very promising project. I think Evolution is going to be coming out pretty soon, and I can see Dash, if Evolution launches successfully, I can see Dash being worth, you know, $700 per Dash pretty easily. So easily double its current price. Anyhow, I'm assuming all of you guys are very glad that prices have been rebounding, and it looks like we're heading into a very positive and good direction here on out. No one's really talking too much negative China FUD anymore, and it seems like China, the people in China, are still going to be able to exchange cryptos. They're just not going to be able to wire transfer yuan into their broker. So they'll be able to transfer Bitcoin or some other currency into their broker and then trade that way. So anyhow, today is September 18th, 2017. I don't think I said that at the beginning of the video. And it looks like it's smooth sailing ahead for cryptos in general. Paul Rogers out.